In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Kashimo vessel in Jujutsu Chronicles. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, for you to acquire the Kashimo vessel, the first thing that you have to do is go over here to the underground station and talk to the NPC sitting at this corner. So go over to the underground station and you will find this NPC. If you talk to them, this is what he has to say. I'm waiting for a special scroll to be delivered to me. Now, this scroll has to be acquired and you need to deliver it to him for you to get the Kashimo vessel. Now, there is a lot of information going around on all the locations for this Kashimo scroll, and keep in mind that it has a 3% chance to spawn every minute between 10 a.m. or p.m. until 10:30 a.m. or p.m. UTC, which basically means that in a 30-minute window, there is 3% chance that it spawns every minute on all days of the week. So make sure that you go over to the wiki if you need confirmation on those times, and basically all that you have to do is you need to get lucky, make sure that it spawns, and you need to acquire the special scroll that needs to be delivered. Once you get the scroll, you can just go over to him and deliver it. Now, there are various locations where this scroll can spawn. I'm gonna mention some of them. So the first one is going to be right underneath this bridge close to these pillars. So check here. And then there's a lot of locations on Jujutsu High. So what I recommend is that once it is close to 10 a.m. or p.m. until 10:30 a.m. or p.m. UTC, you go over to these locations. In Jujutsu High, there are a lot of locations as well. Usually, it is going to be behind the buildings or around these bushes, so you always want to check under these trees and under the bushes. Make sure that you go around the buildings because it can spawn over here on the sides as well. And as long as you are able to find this scroll and deliver it to him, you will be granted access to Kashimo's vessel. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Kashimo's vessel in Jujutsu Chronicles. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.